The BEL6 Roomside series from Broan is designed for both new construction and roomside retrofit installations. This video will demonstrate a new construction installation. Each unit comes equipped with a blower assembly, wiring panel, wire enclosure, fan housing, duct connector, screws, a mask, grill trim, and the grill. Depending on the model, the grill may look different. To complete the installation, you will need a drill, screwdriver, cable clamp connector, new construction ductwork, foil tape, and wire nuts. It's also important to wear safety glasses. Remove the blower assembly and wiring panel from the fan housing. Mount the housing to the ceiling structure. Install the duct connector with the included screws and ensure the tabs engage in the housing. Attach ductwork with foil tape. Next, connect the wiring. Attach the wire enclosure by tab and screw. Reinstall the wiring panel and secure it. Install the blower assembly. Then plug the blower in. If drywall is not complete, use a mask to protect the blower until construction is finished. Once construction is complete, install the grill trim. Plug in the LED module. Then install the grill by sliding the clips into the grill trim. The installation of your new bath fan is now complete.